Hi. ArraTech has successfully completed an onboarding process over 30 companies in Saudi Arabia. Electronic invoicing onboarding in Saudi Arabia. Onboarding is mandatory for all taxpayers who are subject to electronic invoicing in Saudi Arabia. As a result of the onboarding process, taxpayers obtain cryptographic stamp identifiers, CSIDs. CSIDs are required for integration with the electronic invoicing portal that is managed by the Saudi Arabian Tax Authority, ZATCA, and for further submission of electronic invoices. Prerequisites: the legal entity must be registered as a taxpayer in Saudi Arabia and must have a valid value-added tax (VAT) registration number. The legal entity must have the access to the Saudi Arabian taxation portal, ArraTech. Onboarding process. The onboarding process consists of two steps. Obtain a compliance CSID, CSID, which ZATCA assigns to perform compliance checks of electronic invoice generation solutions, EXAs. Obtain a production CSID, CSID, which ZATCA assigns to compliant EXAs. Obtain EXAD. In the Saudi Arabian taxation portal, ArraTech, go to the onboarding and management portal by selecting the relevant tile. On the main landing page of the onboarding and management portal, select the onboard new solution unit/device tile, and then select generate OTP code. The OTP code is only valid for 1 hour after it's generated. Make sure that it's used within that time frame. Select the number of one-time password, OTP, codes to generate. The number depends on the number of e-invoicing generation units, devices, that will be used. In Production Sandbox Simulator 1. Sandbox API will get error, OpenSL, no certificate matches private key. It was resolved in Simulator 2 and live onboarding.